Today I'm going to be replacing this light bulb on my Brother 1034D Serger, and I'm holding the plate on because I've already got it off, so you can kind of see it has the original, I believe it's an incandescent bulb. It's not, I mean it's okay, it lights it well enough. I can see here you can get an idea what you're looking at there. It is a what they call like a warm sort of light, and what I'm hoping for is to get a little bit of a better light system in there. I am going to put an LED bulb, which won't get as hot underneath here when I'm working for a while, working for longer periods of time. And also an LED bulb should be able to give me a brighter light and more surface space lit than what I'm looking at here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this off and show you where you take it out at. So this is the side of the machine, and right here is the plate you're going to take off, and there are 2 screws right here in the back, and that's all you need to do in order to remove this. And then it comes right off, and this is where that bulb is. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on again if I can reach it. You see it's not too bad of a bulb. This is the original, and when you put the faceplate on, it kind of lights up that little area right there, which is right around where you're surging anyway. Oops, there we go. Pardon me moving the camera. And what I'm going to replace it with is an LED bulb and hopefully get more surface area lit. So let's go ahead and turn this back off. And then you're going to want to unplug your machine. That's what I do anytime I'm working around anything electric. Go ahead and plug it. Okay. And then this is just a screw-in bulb. Get you in there a little bit better there. There you go. And then I'm going to put in this bulb. You don't want to over tighten it, just nice and snug. And let's go ahead and plug it back in. And then turn it on. Oh, wow. Wow, look, it lights all the way back up and through here. Oh, do this one-handed here. It does light a larger surface area, which is what I was hoping for. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this back on, and then we'll have a look at it from the front. Okay, so I have the side back on. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Wow, I just can't get over how much brighter this is, and there's so much more area lit. I really like that. You're getting a little bit of reflection off of the here, which you see on camera, but you don't really see in real life, so it's not going to reflect so much onto here. It just looks beautiful. I can really see what I'm doing, can get in there, and what I really like, I'm not sure how well this is going to translate on film, but you can see into the eyes of these needles so well with this light. I just love it. It's fabulous. Fabulous. I'm really pleased with that. Now, as I said, I'm using this LED light bulb, and this can take, the light bulbs that it takes original equipment are 15 watts. The nice thing about an LED is it only uses 3 watts for the same, actually for more lumens, I guess they call it, for more power, more brightness than you would get on the original at 15 watts. And this one is just 3 watts. So, yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I love it. I assume it's probably even going to be easier to maybe thread the loopers a little bit with that brighter light. So I really like how it came out. But regardless of whether you're placing the original equipment with the same type of light bulb, or you're going to upgrade to an LED light bulb, it's really simple to replace them on this Brother Serger 1034D.